teachers. My name is Sanvi. I study in grade 2. Today I'm going to share some fun facts. Did you know ants never sleep? Also, they don't have lungs. They breathe through tiny holes. In Japan, if a tree is in the way of road construction, they bind the roots and move it. Why trees are important? Let's see. It costs $38 trillion to create oxygen for 6 months for all human beings on earth. Trees do it for free. Now I'm going to show you something cool. What about an eagle? When all birds find shelter during the rain, eagles fly above the clouds to avoid the rain. The sentence, "The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog," uses every letters in English language. Thank you. Bye-bye.